Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I'm going to quickly show you how to change the timeline resolution. Let's say you created a vertical project and you decided that you wanted it to be 1080p or you want it to be 4K. Well, this is an easy way to change it. So click on the project and then go over here to modify. Okay. Yes. Go over here to modify and then it will let you pick different resolutions. So like say I want to this 4K now. I can just pick 4K and then bada bing, bada boom. It's, it's a 4K timeline now. Now, here's a bonus tip for you guys. Let's say you want to actually change the frame rate. You saw you couldn't there. Well, simply just, highlight everything, copy it, delete it, and then, now wait for it, go back to clicking it, go to modify. You can change the frame rate to whatever you want. And then, after you have everything the way you want it, go to the beginning of your timeline once again, and then paste everything. And bada bing, bada boom, you're back in business exactly where you left off, but whatever frame rate you want. And yeah, hopefully that helped you in some way, shape, or form. If you like more quick tips like this, let me know in the comment section below. And I will catch you guys in the future. Later.